I'm Matteo Morandi. I'm a computational designer and 3D printing expert for WASP. So WASP is a 3D printing company that fabricates, design and product 3D printers in Italy. So we are here for train people in the Philippines to print. We show them how to make a 3D model and how to manage the technology. So you need to create this workflow that people can understand.
The whole idea behind this that we have a big regeneration site in Puchara Bay, which will need a lot of bricks to rehabilitate. We had this idea of making this production facility happen. We had this workshop, and the idea about the people here is actually that they run everything by themselves, and I also wanted them to be able to design a 3D model and actually printing the product, so they know the whole workflow behind this.
From our interaction, I can sense the desire for an authentic connection and empowering locals. Because sometimes it's just ideas, sometimes it's challenge that, okay, you do this, let's clean the environment, let's restore the environment, but we don't really show them how. The impact is that it creates now a consciousness and belief among the community that something can be done with our damaged ecosystems. It is first in the Philippines, and I think the laboratory is second in the world. So we are really grateful of the chance that we can have this partnership, that we can do something for the world. So this is a platform for the university to really engage in the real world problem with global perspectives. It's something that from a dream and an idea that has come true is really a sense of fulfillment.